Do you want crystal clear resin pieces? First, grab a mask and gloves. Next, warm up your resin for at least 15 minutes. Then, pour equal parts of both resin and hardener into the cup. Slowly mix equal parts to avoid creating bubbles. Utilize the paddle to scoop material from the wall of the cup for an even mixture. After stirring for 10 minutes, check to see if your resin is clear. Streak-free resin means you're ready to pour. Slowly pour the resin into your molds. A slow, consistent pour will ensure no new bubbles will be created in your pieces. After you've poured the resin into your molds, you'll want to grab the isopropanol and spray the resin. Please wait 2 minutes for the isopropanol to dry. While waiting, squeeze the sides of the molds to bring any bubbles to the surface. Whenever the iso is done drying, grab your heat gun and use a low heat option to pop the peskier surface bubbles. You can add decorations or let the piece cure.